Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and welcome back to another episode of the Coloured Solar System series. So yeah, you guys are still enjoying it as it from what the comments and stuff say. So yeah, today we're going to be doing pink. So yeah, we're running out of colours. I reckon we've probably got another maybe 2 or 3 episodes of this series. So yeah, if you've got any ideas for another colour, leave them down below and hopefully we'll get around to doing them in the future. But anyways, yeah, we hit 1,300 subscribers today, so many thanks to everyone. That is awesome. Let's keep going. Let's see if we can get 1.4, because that'd be cool. Yeah, anyways, let's get into this. So this is brown from last week, as you may remember. So there's that. Now we're going to go to a whole new simulation here. Now stars. What should I use here? Let's use Procorn, a yellowish white star. So let's get that there. So it's quite a bright, yeah, it's pretty much just a white star. So that white we can use with any colour, since it's pretty much a lightened up version of any colour. So yeah, we'll use white. Should we have a second star? Actually, no, let's just go with... should we have one? Let's go with a second star. So let's have TRAPPIST-1 as our second star. So let's see if we can find it. There's TRAPPIST-1. So let's have you in a orbit. Okay, and let's put it at a pretty high sort of orbit like that. Okay, there we go. So now they should be orbiting. Yeah, there we go. So we've got like a nice binary little system here. Okay, looking good. We may want to put this guy a little further out. Actually, I'm going to do that. So let's make you a little higher up here. Now let's do it. So auto orbit like that. And there we go. So now we've got a bigger binary orbit, which is looking good. So we're going to just move this thing's orbit up as well, just to make things a little cooler. So auto orbit, just to fix it. All right, perfect. So now we've got 2 binary stars. Remember, TRAPPIST is not very luminous at all, so it probably won't have an effect, but you can barely see it from here. So that's pretty crazy. But anyways, first planet. I don't think I have any pink objects actually. Oh, we've got this thing here, this pink we can use, so that's good. Oh yeah, because we can use this. This was based off Mars originally, so let's have let's just have our first star right here. So our first planet, I should say. So let's put you here, and this will probably be like a Mercury sort of Venus sort of planet. So quite hot atmosphere, nice pink color as well. Look at that. And it's got like the pinky orange atmosphere as well. Looking good. Okay, so I like that. That's good. So let's cool it down just slightly. Looking good. We'll also give it a little moon as well. So let's go and get one of you. So let's get a little moon. Actually, let's get a small moon. I think that should be better. So let's put a small moon there. And it's going to be this moon will be pretty hot in temperature as well. So yeah, there's that. All right, and let's make you pink. So let's actually no wait. Let's go through that. Okay, there we go. Looking good. So let's go 1, 2, and then 3 like that. Okay, there we go. So we've now got like a nice pink. Nice, that's a little too purple actually, so let's do that. And then do this one as well, so let's do that. So now we've got more of a... would you say that's pink? No, maybe just a little more colour to it. Just slightly... Come on, let's drag it. There we go. And then this colour here, we'll turn that to a darker colour as well. There you go, that's pink. There we go, so we've got a glowing hot pink object now in orbit of our pink planet with quite a big atmosphere on it, it looks like. So yeah, this was originally based off Mars. Alright, that's looking good. Alright, next up. Gas giants are going to be a real problem here, because there's no way, you can't even get pink. I've never seen a pink gas giant in this game, so I guess we'll just have to use white, because that's probably the closest thing I have to pink, will be white. So where is the white? White, where did I put you? Oh, here's, so white 1. So is this a gas giant? I don't know, let's have a look. Is this a gas giant or a rocky planet? Let's have a look here. Oh, it's a gas giant. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it's a completely white gas giant, so that's good. So yeah, this is the closest thing we can have to pink, I'd say. So we'll just go and use this guy. So let's make it a little bigger in mass. Let's go to 0.05 Jupiters. So not too large in mass, but something relatively big. So okay, looking good. Let's check the orbits here. Okay, nothing's been interrupted. All right, perfect. So how many Earths is this? This is 15 Earths, so not too big. Actually, let's make it a little bigger. Let's go to 40 Earths, just so we've got a little extra mass. And let's also put it a little further out from the star, because we don't want it affecting our main or our first planet there. And let's also give it a more inclined orbit. So let's do. Wait, how is this going to work? Right, so TRAPPIST-1 is up there, so we need to have it on a slightly different sort of angle. So okay, something like that. I think. Actually, no, that's the wrong way around. Let's fix it like that. So yeah, TRAPPIST is up there. Okay, I like that. That's good. So Here is that. Let's also have this planet tilted on its side like Uranus is. So let's put it like that. Okay, looking good. And let's have the moons orbiting it like the Uranus moons orbit Uranus. So we'll get another pink object here from like our little like template. So here we go. Let's quickly also go to it here. Let's turn it into a gas giant so its surface texture changes. So there we go. Yeah, and this is not a pink gas giant at all. It's just a boring colour. So okay, so we've now got a different looking pink object here. Let's also change the colours up. Let's also give it a little more pink there, just to make it a little different. So, looking good. Okay, I like that. Okay, I like that. Okay, pink. So now let's give it a bit of water. So, let's freeze it up a bit. So let's quickly do this. Oh, that's a little too much water removed there. So, okay, we'll just quickly do that. Okay, no, stay with water, please. Stop changing. Come on. Okay, we'll just slowly do it like... Oh, come on now. Okay, this is having a laugh. Come on. Just a little bit. Okay, a little bit more like this. And turn it like that. Okay, that's looking good. So, look at that. Perfect. So now if we quickly... Oh, we could put climate mode on this guy. Actually, no, I want to add a little more water. Just so it looks a little more frozen up. Because this is going to be a frozen moon of a sort of frozen gas giant here. So, okay, that's looking good. Like that. Alright, nice. So, yeah, I want to keep this guy frozen. So, hopefully it doesn't heat up in temperature. So now it's got a nice orbit there. So now let's also put the orbit on its side. So, let's have it inclined. Like that. And then let's quickly turn it around. So, it's the right way. Okay, looking good. Okay, I like that. So let's quickly do this. Just line it all up correctly. Okay, looking good. So now I've got like a Uranus sort of type moon here. Let's also put this thing on its side. So there we go. Get a real unique looking system here. So that's looking good. So if we hit play, we should have a nice little frozen ball now. So yeah, nice frozen moon or ball of... Actually, frozen pink ball. Oh, no, it has got some water in it. Okay, that's too hot. Nope. Reflect all that light. There we go. You're going to stay very cold. We're not having you get too hot. Let's put it back to 0 degrees. There we go. Well, it's got quite a heavy atmosphere. It's just let's actually lower the atmosphere a bit. So, how much surface pressure is this? Okay, let's make it a little more smaller. So there we go. Wow, this thing really wants to heat up. That's pretty crazy. Okay, so we're just going to leave it like that and just put it to 0 degrees so it cools down. Because remember, we are still relatively close to the star here, so yeah, we're in the red zone as you can see. So next up, let's have something a lot further out. So we'll leave these guys with just one moon just to keep things nice and simple. So let's get a big rock. So if you don't know what that is, it's just a giant rocky planet, which I called Big Rock because I'm great at making names. So let's get Big Rock, yeah, right here. Let's place you out in the habitable zone. So let's put you, wait, where is it? Let's put you here. There we go. So it's further out. I know the Trappist one's still further out actually. So we have to move Trappist one a little closer. I think it is a little too far away. So let's quickly go and do that. There we go. That should fix it. Looking good. Okay, that's a little closer now. Let's bring it a little, just a tiny bit. There we go. That's better. So yeah, I want it a little closer because it was too far away, I think, there. So now, where is Big Rocks? Let's go and head to you. So let's turn that on. Okay, here it is. So yeah, it's just a colonized Earth-like world. But what we're going to do is we're going to make it pink. So let's go ahead and do that, as you can see. So there we are. There we go. That's pink. Still got the blue atmosphere, but we can't really change that, so that kind of sucks. But oh well. So it's looking good. It's a lighter pink. Actually, is that a little too bright? There you go. That's a real pinky pink sort of colour. So yeah, there it is with all the atmosphere and clouds off. Let's also remove a bit of water. Okay, just a little bit. There we go. So looking good. Okay, so hopefully this guy doesn't get too hot. So let's keep an eye on its temperature there. And this guy can have a ton of moons because yeah, this is quite far out, or quite a large object. So you would expect it to have a lot of moons. So yeah, this should be pretty interesting. So let's quickly go ahead and do that, and then do that. Okay, there we go. More unique sort of looking orbit there. I have to change it just slightly. Okay, yeah, there we go. I like that. That looks good. So let's come down here. Okay, that's looking really nice actually. Yeah, I really like that one. So now let's get a bunch of pink objects. The default pink one. Let's put them around Big Rock here. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Let's have it 4 moons like Jupiter with the Galileo moons. Wait, is that 4? Oh, no, that's 3. Wait, where's the... Oh, there is a 4th one. Okay, so looking good. So now we've got 4 more in orbit. So let's make these guys a different variety of size as well. So let's make this one... Let's go with 8 or 7,000 kilometers. So this is about the size of Earth here. So that's pretty good. Then we'll do the second moon. We'll make you a lot smaller. So let's put it down to 2,000 kilometers like that. Then this moon here, we'll put you to... No, 3,000. Oh, no, not 3. No, not 3. 3,000, please. Oh, let's do 300, actually. Have a nice, really, really small moon. And then we'll have a... We'll leave that one... Actually, no, we'll change it a bit. Let's just do it like that, just so it's slightly different. So, yeah, there we go. So, the closest moon... We'll have you as quite a hot object, so we'll pretty much leave it the way it is. Decrease the albedo a bit. Okay, how hot's the temperature here? Let's hit play. Okay, it's heating up. Okay, that's what I want, so we'll leave you to do your thing. Okay, this moon here, we're going to have you completely frozen over, like that. So you can't see the pink, but you know it's under there, so it's fine. Let's have you reflecting all the light you receive, pretty much, so you don't heat up in temperature. Okay, there we go, it's getting cold, perfect. This guy, we'll just have it as a basic sort of pink, honestly. Let's have it, actually, let's have it as a really, really bright colour. Wait, can we even change the colour on this? Ah, no, we can't, because we made it too small, so we just have to leave it the way it is. And then this guy over here, yeah, we'll make you very, very bright pink. So let's do this. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look how bright that pink is. So if we just remove the atmosphere here, you can really see... That's a little too purple, actually. Let's go a little more pink. Okay, that's looking good. And then this guy here. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I think that's a nice sort of pink colour. Then we can add a bit of water on it just to make it a little look a little frozen. So how hot is this guy? Okay, let's increase the albedo just so it doesn't do anything. Let's decrease the water a little bit. Put the temperature back to let's just do minus 999 like that, so it freezes up. And now let's just remove all the water. We'll just have a tiny little bit, as you can see there, just so it's there, and then put all those back on. It's actually quite a little frozen looking sort of object. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think that looks good. Okay, I like that. So yeah, there are our 4 moons around Big Rock here. Our pink Big Rock, so looking good. I like that. So we've got a habitable Earth-like world here, a very large Earth-like world. It's got a 35% Earth similarity and a 12% life likelihood. So yeah, we could live here, hopefully, anyway. So yeah, there's that. So here's our system so far. And actually, what am I doing? I forgot the background. So let's go and quickly add that in as well. So what one should we base it off? Let's base it off the green one here. Then we're going to basically just switch the colours to pink. So here we go. Let's have you as a nice lighter pink. Oh, there we go. Now that's definitely a pink. So let's do that. Okay, looking good. Yeah, I like that. And the base colour, we'll have you as a sort of pinky colour as well. So let's do that. And ambient colour, we'll also put you to a pink colour. So looking good. And there we are. So now they should have like a pink glow behind them. Actually, wait, do they? Does that do anything? Okay, it does slightly. You can see there's a slight pink glow behind there. Okay, I like that. Looking good. So there we go. We can also increase these options here. Star intensity, as you can see, turn the stars on and off. We'll have them nice and bright. The brightness will pretty much keep the same. Contrast. Ooh, don't know about that. Just leave that. And then saturation. Oh, we can have it really pink. Look at that. There we go. We'll leave it like that. So slightly altered settings, but yeah, that is a real pink system there. So got there, and then we've got a random black void up here. Okay, that works because yeah, you can mostly see this is pink, so that's fine. So TRAPPIST 1. Okay, yeah, still too far away, I think. Okay, let's move it a lot closer now. So let's move it really far down. We don't want it too close to Big Rock though, so we've got to be careful with that. Oh, hang on, okay. We need to move it back up. Okay, please. Let's put you over here. Okay, so slightly up, now like that. Is that good? A little more. I've got a little closer, like that. Oh yeah, I think that's close enough. I think. Right, perfect. So now we can have some objects orbiting TRAPPIST 1 as well. So let's go and mess with you. We won't change the colour of TRAPPIST 1 because I don't want to mess up the settings here. So we'll just leave it go as an orange colour. That's the only one it will be a different colour. So yeah, that's that. So let's get another pink object. Let's have one really close to TRAPPIST. How will it do here? So yeah, TRAPPIST isn't a very powerful star, so it shouldn't really kill this object. Yeah, okay, it is slightly. Okay, we're just going to leave it like that. I think that's good. And then another gas giant. We're definitely getting another one of these in, so we'll just have to use the white one again since I literally don't have any pink objects because you can't get pink. So Let's do that. Okay, so you can sort of see the ambient colours helping out on it though. You can see it's sort of like a, if you look here, you can sort of see there's a pink glow behind it. So, okay, yeah, that works. Okay, I like that. So we'll make this guy, we don't want to make it too big because otherwise it will muck up Trappist. So let's give it a 0.5 Jupiter mass. I think that's reasonable. So there you go. Let's have a little further out as well. And then we'll give it some random, let's give it a random pink moon. So let's get one of those. Let's put you there. And then we'll have, we'll put a few asteroids around it as well, just to add in some more objects to orbit. Okay, there you go. So there's a little more uniqueness to it. We could have one, just a random asteroid in there as well, just to show off some that may have escaped the gas giant. There you go. So that's looking good. What can we do next? Actually, let's try I want to try a Titan. So we're going to get a Titan here. I want to see if I can make the color of it. Yeah, I can make the color of it pink. I want to see if it will show up through the orange atmosphere here. So if I make this pink, we'll be able to see it through that atmosphere. Let's have a look. And let's go to pink as well. So can we see it underneath those clouds? Let's give it some water as well, just so it changes it up a bit. So let's also make the temperature here. Let's give it a little more atmosphere. That's what we need. So let's give you a bit more atmosphere. Okay, 3 ATM. Let's put it to 0 degrees. Okay, it's all smoking up. Love it when they do that. Let's increase the infrared efficiency. Come on, heat up. Come on. Is it going to do anything? Surely it should be heating up now. So we're going to have to sadly delete that. Maybe I have a... Do I have a custom Titan, maybe? TIT... Nah, I don't. Dang it. Okay, we'll try that again, though. Come on, please work. Okay, let's just give it an ATM. Let's give it, I don't know, 5 ATM to start off with. Decrease the albedo, put it to 0 degrees. And it's still getting too cold. Okay, we may have to give it... Actually, let's try putting it closer to Procorn here. Or Procorn, is that how you say it? Procorn? I think that's how you say it. So, okay, looking good. So let's also put you at a quite high orbit like this. Okay, let's see if it works here. Okay, yeah, 9 degrees, so it is working. Let's decrease the albedo a bit so it warms up. Okay, there we go. That's what I like to see. Increase the infrared efficiency. Let's give it a little more surface pressure. It's pretty dark here, actually. Wow, why is it so dark? We're unrealistic. Surely it received light. How far away is it from the star? Wait, let's have a look. 2.63 AU. Why is it so dark? That star's brighter than the sun, I'm pretty sure. Let's have a look. Yeah, 7 times brighter than the sun. So why is it so dark here? Maybe we should just remove the atmosphere. That helps. Oh, it's just because it's got a black... I think it's just because its surface is black. So let's quickly change that up. So there we go. Oh, whoops. So let's quickly do this. Oh, there we go. That's a real pink object there. So, oh, no. Stay like that. There we are. Now if we add the atmosphere back... Oh, it's still dark. Well, that's weird. Well, we'll just remove the atmosphere then. Or just keep it hidden. And then we'll add some water on. Oh, now you can really see the clouds. So hopefully it doesn't keep smoking like this or losing material. So let's make it a lot bigger. So let's give it a mass of 4 Earths. Make it really big. So there you go. Now if we add the atmosphere back, does it work? Oh, it's still dark and gloomy. Come on. Okay, 0 degrees. Let's get you warmed up again. Let's just put it to, I don't know, 20 degrees just to give it a little boost. So, okay, looking good. So now the water should turn to a liquid state instead of frozen, please. Come on. Ice, melt. Come on. Okay, there we go. So now if we have the atmosphere back, we still can't see anything under there. Interesting. Yeah, but there we go. So now we've got like a nice looking Titan, which we can use. So, okay, it's maybe getting a little too hot. So we'll just quickly change that a bit. So there we go. We've got a Titan now. So let's see what we got so far. So we've got quite a weird system here, but it's nice. I like it. So what's going on up here? Ooh, the orbits here have changed a bit. Looks like our gas giant is creating some unique orbits for us. So I like that. That's good. Then we've got Big Rock here with its little system. The Big Rock system is almost as big as the Trappist the little Trappist system up here. This is pretty insane. We've got Titan over here just chilling, looking good. Okay, I do like that. That's really good. But I don't know why its clouds aren't working out. We can try one with Venus actually. So let's get a random Venus in here. And we're definitely adding an asteroid belt in as well. So let's just put a random Venus here. And then we are going to check you out. So is it still really dark? Is the clouds really dark here? Same problem with Venus. The clouds are just... I don't know what's up with the clouds. That is really strange. What if we put it like right next to the star? Surely. Come on, surely its clouds should light up. Like, come on. Yes. Oh, it's too hot now. Okay, if we just increase the albedo so it goes to 0. Okay, let's try this. Is it... So we can just see its clouds. It's still dark. It's right next to the star. How does that work then? Well, yeah, we'll just leave that. So there we go. Let's have an asteroid belt really close to the star. So let's have let's go over this thing here. Let's go to manual. And let's quickly go pink like that, and then add ring. Oh, there you go. Look, that's quite a close asteroid belt. That makes the star look more pink. There you go. And then we'll add an asteroid belt in as well. So we'll do the same. And then we'll do this. So let's add the asteroids in. Let's have there's a nice light pink like that. And then add ring. So now we've got an asteroid belt out here, looking good. Then TRAPPIST 1, we'll give you a little ring as well. Why not? So let's go all the way down here. TRAPPIST 1, let's go to manual. Quickly put pink on it. Like that. Okay, looking good. And then add ring. There you go. So TRAPPIST 1's got a nice little ring as well. Looking good. So there we go. Alright, so there we go. There is the pink solar system. So yeah, hopefully you guys all enjoyed this episode, because this is quite a nice system actually. It's pretty unique as well. Got the random black spot there. You can really see the pink rings there. But yeah, there you go. So if we go in chart mode here, just to get a comparison of what we've done. So we've got Procorn, which is our main star. Then we've got Big Rock. So then we've got TRAPPIST 1. So yeah, Big Rock is bigger than TRAPPIST 1. That's just how big this rocky planet is. We've also got the 2 of the white gas giants, because we can't get any colour closer to pink than white for gas giants. Then we've got one of our Titans. Then we've got a ton of the little pink objects here, all default ones, but yeah, they've got their own little unique personalities, I guess, like different size, radiuses, temperatures. We've got a smaller one here, which is like a frozen Europa sort of planet. Then we've got the really small guys here. And then we've got a few random asteroids, just add a few more objects into the system. So yeah, there we go, guys. So hopefully you'll enjoy this episode. Like I said, make sure you subscribe if you've got any more or subscribe the make sure you subscribe for more content, and if you've got any ideas for next episode, because we're really running out of colours. But yeah, if you've got any ideas for what colour we should do next episodes, I think we still got grey to do, so that's at least one more episode. But yeah, if you've got any other colours, feel free to leave them down below and I'll check them out. And yeah, there we go. So make sure you all have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Orbit just to fix it. Alright, perfect. So now we've got 2 binary stars. Remember, TRAPPIST is not very luminous at all, so it probably won't have an effect, but you can barely see it from here, so that's pretty crazy. But anyways, first planet. I don't think I have any pink objects actually. Oh, we've got this thing here, this pink we can use, so that's good. Oh yeah, because we can use this. This was based off Mars originally, so let's just have our first star right here. So thanks to everyone, that is awesome. Let's keep going. Let's see if we can get 1.4, because that'd be cool. Anyways, let's get into this. So this is brown from last week, as you may remember. So there's that. Now we're going to go to a whole new simulation here. Now, stars. What should I use here? Let's use Procorn, a yellowish white star. So let's get that there. So it's quite a bright, it's pretty high sort of orbit like that. Okay, there we go. So now they should be orbiting. Yeah, there we go. So we've got like a nice binary little system here. Okay, looking good. We may want to put this guy a little further out. Actually, I'm going to do that. So let's make you a little higher up here. Now let's do it. So auto orbit like that. And there we go. So now we've got a bigger binary orbit, which is looking good. So we're going to just move this thing's orbit up as well, just to make things a little cooler. So auto orbit is just a white star. So that white we can use with any colour, since it's pretty much a lighten up version of any colour. So yeah, we'll use white. Then should we have a second star? Actually, no. Let's just go with. Should we have one? Let's go with a second star. So let's have TRAPPIST 1 as our second star. So let's see if we can find it. There's TRAPPIST 1. So let's have you in a orbit. Okay, and let's put it at a. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and welcome back to another episode of the Coloured Solar System series. So yeah, you guys are still enjoying it, as it from what the comments and stuff say. So yeah, today we're going to be doing pink. So yeah, we're running out of colours. I reckon we've probably got another maybe 2 or 3 episodes of this series. So yeah, if you've got any ideas for another colour, leave them down below, and hopefully we'll get around to doing them in the future. But anyways, yeah, we hit 1,300 subscribers today, so many